Gardeners, it's important to thin your plants. Let me show you what I mean. Whenever we plant by seed, usually we'll have not just one seed per spot, but maybe we'll end up dropping 2 or 3. And if you come back in and you trim some of these out, use some small little scissors and reduce them down, then the plants will grow much more quickly. These are delicious little microgreens, so throw them into some salads and eat them. Same thing with some of these plants. You'll see these are Chinese cabbage, and I would recommend actually trimming out these smaller ones and letting just the one get much larger in each of these spots. You can see these have already been thinned down. This is pak choi. I would also remove one of each of these so that the other gets bigger. The turnips are really nicely thinned. Let's do the same thing with the Swiss chard and reduce those down to just one in each of these spots. You can see some of these beautiful microgreens that we've been growing. We have kale coming up, cabbages, lettuces, more microgreens. The carrots, one every 2 or 3 inches. The carrots will get much larger than if you leave them grouped together. And of course, make sure you're always going back in and filling in. We just now planted some more carrots along this edge, and that's a great way to succession plant so that these will grow up, you'll harvest them, and then you'll have some more that are coming in right behind them. So keep your garden beds full. And of course, we're out down here in Tucson, Arizona, so it is warm enough that we still have these tomatillos that are producing really well. Keep your garden beds full and make sure that you thin your plants for better yields. Have fun.